Hello student, welcome to my YouTube channel, Mathematics Corner. I am Mukul Sarma, subject is Mathematics. Today I shall discuss about equality of sets. Now, equality of sets. Equality of sets. A and B are said to be equal if all the elements of A are also in B and all the elements of B are also in A. কাৰণ A আৰু B সংহতিত সমান বুলি কোৱা হ'ব যদি A সংহতিত থকা আটাইবোৰ মৌল B সংহতিত থাকে আৰু B সংহতিত থকা আটাইবোৰ মৌল A সংহতিত থাকে অন্যথায় আমি কি ক'ম A not equal to B. As for example, let A 2, 3 B X such that X is a solution of X square 5X plus 6 is 0. Here you see that element of A is 2 and 3, but element of B is in the set builder form. So we have to find out what is the value of X. This can be done by factorization. This is the equation, quadratic equation. We factorize it. X square 3x plus 2x plus 5, splitting the middle term. X plus 3, 2x plus 3. This implies x plus 3, x plus 2 is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to minus 3, x is equal to minus 2. Therefore, B is equal to minus 3 minus. That we see that elements of A is 2 and 3, but element of B is minus 3 and minus 2. Element of B is not in set B, but element of A are not in set B, and all the elements of B are not in set A. Therefore, we can write A not equal to B. Another example. Number 2. X is a letter in the word FOLLOW. B X such that X is a letter in the word WOLF. Here you see that elements of A is equal to letter in the word follow. What are the letters in the word follow? F, O, L, L, O, W. O is 2 times there, L is double L. Therefore, we have to write 1 O and 1 L. That is F, O, 1 O, L, W. These are the letters forming the word follow. In the set B, there are also wolf, W, O, L. Thus you see that letters formed by the word follow F, O, L, W, and letters formed by the formula are same. That is, all the elements of A are also in the set B, and all the elements of B are also in the set A. Therefore, we can write A equal to B. This is all about equality of sets. Next class, I shall discuss about what is subsets, what is union, intersection, etc.